I'm Pastor Steve. About 45 years ago, I started searching for some answers to some very basic questions about who are we? What are we? Where did we come from? Why are we here? And my 45-year search has been rather fruitful. I began reading the classics, reading Homer, reading Aristotle, reading Plato. I moved on into Augustine, Boethius, went on to Saint Aquinas, Thomas Aquinas, and just kept going. I have worked through all of the major religious texts of all the world religions, the Holy Quran, the Upanishads of the Hindu faith, and the Dead Sea Scrolls, the Bible, the Hebrew Bible, the New Testament. And I have assembled a picture of the story of how this, and I mean this world, I mean this situation, I mean you, I mean me, how this whole picture came together. PastorSteve.faith.com